I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Freelancer account, follow these simple steps to ensure it's done correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Freelancer account using your email and password. This is necessary to access your account settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Account Closure option. In the Settings menu, look for the Account tab on the left side. Click on it and you should see an option for Close Account. Step 4. Review Terms and Confirm. Before closing your account, read through the terms and conditions regarding account closure. If you're sure, click the Confirmation button. Step 5. Check for final notifications. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, closing your account is permanent, so ensure you've downloaded any important information first. Good luck, and I hope this guide helps you through the process.